We explore the world not just physically, but also mentally by doing experiments that increase our knowledge of the world and the universe. And that comes from a need to understand the world that we're part of and a basic curiosity that I think all humans are born with. My name's Andreas Mogensen, and I'm the pilot of NASA's SpaceX Crew 7 mission to the International Space Station. I was born in Copenhagen, Denmark, but I spent 3 years in Thailand, 2 years in Singapore, 5 years in California. When I moved to California as a kid, I started learning about NASA and the Space Shuttle program and of course the Apollo missions to the moon. And I was fascinated and hooked immediately. I knew that that was my dream, to become an astronaut. After too many years in one place, I can feel this itch and this need to travel again. And so I ended up working in the Congo and in Angola, where I worked on an offshore oil rig for a couple of years. Exploring space is not just about understanding the solar system and the universe and preparing the way for our return to the moon and our future missions to Mars, but it's also about understanding who we are and understanding our home world, the Earth. It's difficult to describe Crew 7 in a few words, I think, because we gel so well together. We seem to have very similar personalities, very easygoing, very laid back. It's almost as if we've known each other for years and years and years and have lots of experience flying in space together. I did have moments to myself during my 10-day mission in 2015 where I spent time in the cupola looking down at our beautiful Earth, but also out at the night sky. When you look out at the night sky from this space station, you see billions and billions of stars, and it's very, very impressive. And it also gives you a sense of how large the universe is, how infinitely large it is. And it very quickly puts things in perspective. You very quickly realize how small and almost insignificant the Earth is, and how small and insignificant we all are in relation to what's out there, simply because the universe is so large. And I think that is exciting, because when something is as large as the universe, it must also mean that there are so many exciting opportunities and exciting discoveries waiting for us in the future.